Hi guys, my name is Jesha and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today, what we have today? Yes, Sarojini Nagar Hall, you heard me right. So I've been to Sarojini Nagar like couple of days back and they have all the winter stuff out there. So I picked up few summer clothes and few winter clothes. Let me take you to my haul one by one. And trust me guys, winter is here and we are all in need of jackets, coats, trench coats. So they have huge variety of trench coats, jackets. After this video, I will be coming with part 2 of Sarojini Nagar Hall. So please make sure that you subscribe to this channel and let's get started. First piece we have this orange color pants and this fits beautifully. It has elastic at the waist so it cinch your waist and make it like tinier. The color is amazing, so you can carry it with whites, blacks, browns, beige. This was for like rupees 200. I got 3 pieces, so I bargained it to 500 rupees for 3 pieces, so it come down to 180 something. So the second item we have is this kaftan kurta. It has a very good thread embroidery at its hem, and trust me guys, it's very beautiful while wearing. It has tassel and the color is like quite amazing. If you pair it with dusty rose pants, it would look fantastic on anybody. Like, it's a loose pattern and anybody can fit in. I really like it, very cute. The kurta was like for 150 rupees I guess. And this trench coat, guys, it's for 100 rupees. I'm literally crushing over like the coolest solid color for this season. You know, winter is all about the colors, so I am like stuffing my wardrobe with all kind of bold colors like green, pink, yellow, dark yellow, neon colors. So I got this green trench coat. It's not that greeny, but then yes, it's altogether a green color and I'm really loving it. If you like style it with some brown checkered pants and inside you can wear it beige top, something like that, it would look amazing. I'm inserting all the clips over here so you can check it out. Every stuff I got, it was like heaven to me. I love clothing when it comes to big pockets inside it. You can stuff all your things inside the pocket and you don't need bag, girl. So the next we have is this shrug, and this is very boho Ghana shrug. You can wear it with black tunics and tops. Also, you can pair it with white, yellow and sky blue to give the contrast to it. And trust me guys, I paired it with one of my outfit with India, and that was also a printed one, and this is also printed. They both were looking amazing. They both together were looking so amazing. So it was for I guess 250 rupees and he was not bargaining at all. We have is this knitted top, and you can get these kind of stuff in Zara and H&M during their winter collection, and it is from H&M actually, from their divided range. So this fits very beautifully, although it's little loose for me, but then yes, it was a sale. It was for 100 rupees, and I guess if you find something in Zara right now, you have to pay at least 1000 rupees for this kind of stuff. Let's be honest, this is the most amazing thing that I have ever purchased from Sarojini. It is a trench coat and the color is yellow, lemon yellow. Basically, it's much paler than what it is looking in the camera right now. It's giving me very lady kind of feel. And honestly guys, I've paired it with a tapered jeans and with kitten heels. It was looking very good. I am thinking to pair it with lemon pants also. Very something which is very baggy and then slightly tapered from the end. It would look very good. I've seen many influencers from outside India and they are like carrying it very elegantly. This color is not for everyone. I mean, somebody who is very experimental can wear this. And it was for, I guess, 250 rupees, if I am not wrong. Yes. So all the stuff in my room is literally looking like Sarojini Nagar, because I am I'm very messy kind of person, so everything is not at their place at any point, at any time of my life, really. So I got this jacket from the main entrance of Sarojini, and trust me guys, I was hooked by the color only. ऐसे टंगा हुआ था ना ये इतना pink. I thought I should give it a try. You can see I'm wearing grey, and then I have yellow also, then I have green also. Why not pink? And it would look very good on me without hairband, with a cap, black cap. This piece would make a statement. So the person wasn't ready to bargain at all. He was saying 700 rupees to 800 rupees. So I came down it to like 350 rupees, and the stuff is really good. I mean, you can feel it. So I gave it, I mean, this is the most expensive item in my haul. It was for 350 rupees, so I have to give him because I was really liking it. I got it from the main entrance of Sarojini. So I want to show you what accessories I got from Sarojini. And to be honest, my favorite is this scrunchie. This is dusty rose color. It's very hard to find, but then it was for 30 rupees and I have to got it. Then number 2 we have are these sunglasses. Isn't it? I'm looking kind of bougie. Don't you think it's giving a very Prada kind of vibes? Really like it. And it was for 300 rupees. These are like mask chain, or you can use it with sunglasses. So I would be probably using this one, this color with this sunglass, and it would look quite good, I guess, like this. So these are the earrings that I got from Sarojini, and these are big oranges. So if you do rainbow eyes, nude lips, and then wear these earrings, I mean, it's a great combination, like the top of the world. But I also got neon earrings, the long ones. Looking amazing. Don't think that I'm going mad. Actually, I'm really liking the collection over there right now. And if you're wondering that maybe it's not the good time or it's a bad time to go over there, so you are probably wrong, my dear. They are having a lot of great products right now with them. So without wasting your time, just go. Lot of sweaters, lot of trench coats, lot of pants, lot of skirts, leather skirts. Also guys, if you really liked my video and you enjoyed watching it, please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it as much as you can, because I will be coming up with part 2 of Sarojini Nagar haul. It's all about winter collection, where I'll be showing you leather skirts, pants, accessories, colorful hair bands, trench coats. Please stay with me. Bye.